I'm giving a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one, 5G smartphone, 512 gigabytes, decked out, $1,400 phone almost. Giving it away. You got to subscribe to the channel. Go to Twitter. Follow at cryptobitcoinchris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok and then leave a comment in the comment section along with a like. Subscribe to YouTube, like YouTube, comment on YouTube. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin's been all over the place, but the daily candle just closed. This key support level has been lost. The next support level down, 37,400, needs to hold for the bulls to prevent massive move to the downside. You see, this is your negative momentum on the histogram where it's increasing, right? So not amazing for the Bitcoin bulls. We're going to zoom in. It's really this simple. Plan A, plan B. If the price action breaks out of this giant falling wedge, we're going to open up alt USDT paired longs. Until then, there's some pullback ideas where the price action was in this rising channel and broke to the downside with this volume earlier. Now the price action bounce came back up. If this is a bearish retest, essentially you're looking for more downside. We've been trading both ways, and this has been the biggest game changer ever. Because, I mean, this is a bull market upside down, right? I mean, just think, making money trading both ways. You have to learn how to trade both ways in this market. Everybody gets stuck on holding coins, and they write them down to next to nothing. Like these altcoins pull back when the market's bearish, 85, 95%. Not amazing, right? So now I really feel I've got some big news to go over with. There's an FOMC meeting coming up over the next 2 days. This is going to move the market, period. So just depending on how the Fed, are they dovish with the rates or hawkish with the rates? Do we get a big rate hike? They need to strengthen the dollar. And so we're going to talk about that in just a second. Again, right now, bearish retest ideas, more downside is in the cards. But if the bullish miracle happens and this breaks higher, obviously you load up on altcoins. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person up $104,000 in a month. This person up $61,000 in a month. This person up $100,000 over the last 30 days. Banging. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount. 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Guys, look at this. This is my old house. I know what it's like to struggle. I started from the absolute bottom. You've got to be able to trade the market both ways. If you do not know the rules of this market, of this game, you cannot win. Could Michael Jordan be a top tier elite athlete if he didn't know how to dribble? No, you can't win if you don't know the rules of the game. I will help you. I can show you the rules. Look, before I learned to trade, I lived in this single wide trailer. After I learned to trade, a couple of nice cars, huge house. I'm going to start a charity. I really want to give back. And just to show people like, hey, the reason why I was able to do all of this stuff is because I learned a brand new skill set, make far more than what any doctor, lawyer, any of the most successful businessmen in the world make, because I learned this skill set. And I can teach you all of this. Today, I'm super excited. We broke ground on a pond. So again, you see I got some nice palm trees planted around the house, and they've been killing these short ideas like crazy. Trading the market both ways is where it's at. You used to be in the group previously. This is a huge new aspect for the group, and we're banging. We're killing it daily. SPX, here it's this simple. Tomorrow, will the SPX get rejected here? And if so, looking for more downside, Bitcoin downside follows, right? So if you don't get this support, bounce at that point, more downside. The best spot to open up Bitcoin longs would be, or alt USDT paired longs would be down here at the lower trend line, right? Every time the lower trend line gets hit, you've had a bounce, you've had a bounce, you've had a bounce. And we're not to the lower trend line yet. So if you don't get this breakout above this resistance, I'm looking for more downside out of Bitcoin. It's going to follow the SPX. It has been. But now after hours trading is essentially flat. It's slightly red. But countdown to the FOMC meeting, CME Futures Group, they think that the Fed, everybody thinks the Fed's going to raise the rates 0.75%, 75 basis points. The Fed said, hey, we got 50 basis points on the table, and that's hawkish. If they come out with 75 basis point rate hike, the market's going to tank. A lot of this is already priced in, but I don't think 75 basis points is priced in. So this is going to move the market. The news is going to be announced over the next 2 days. And from there, we may not nail the absolute bottom, but we'll be able to make a ton of money in the middle just based on this idea. We've created a trading strategy that's surrounded by the use of trading SPX, Bitcoin, and then loading up on altcoins, longs or shorts. And it's been epic, super high win rate. I can't even believe we've grown to this point. NS, I gave you guys this setup on April the 30th, just a few days ago. It was at $20. I said inverse head and shoulders. This coin, Ethereum name service, is very profitable. And most of these coins are just pipe dreams. They're nothing, right? Most of them go to zero. But ENS has a bullish setup, and they came out with profit numbers which were off the charts. You see ENS now, 27% profits since I gave it to you guys on YouTube in just a couple days. This thing is trying to do something different. If you do get a Bitcoin pullback, you're looking for a re-entry as far as a retest goes. Okay, I mean, it's possible you get a retest at this level and then continuation higher, but ENS is a coin that's doing its own thing. However, Bitcoin pulls back, guess what? Market's following it. And that's, you guys know this. So again, there's going to be a point in life when you're sick of taking losses in this market and you want to make a decision to change things forever. I can help you. I've been there. Look at this. I lived in a single wide trailer. I just talked to my neighbor. He's like, bro, you just pulled up in this freaking nice car. You bought a brand new house. Like, how did you do this? How did this happen? And I really watched a bunch of stock traders on YouTube and taught myself the same ideas that I teach you guys and in the trading group on a daily basis. Banging for life. This is life-changing money for life. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.